हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ्स सब will discuss with you some of these multiple choice questions of chapter 5 of class 8 mathematics. The chapter is data handling. These questions are also very important for national talent search examination, means NTSE. So question number 1 is on your screen. Pictorial representation of data using symbols is known as. We know that when data are represented by in a picture, then this is said to be pictograph, right? So the answer is B here. When the representation of data using symbols, then that representation is called pictograph. Next question, double bar graph display sets of data simultaneously, means representing 4, 2, or 1, or no one. You can say here that is double bar graph, a bar graph showing two sets of data. Here it is a bar graph showing two sets of data simultaneously. It is called double bar graph. So the answer is 2. Question number 3. Dash gives the number of times a particular entry comes, that is the frequency gives the number of times that a particular entry occurs. So the answer is frequency distribution table gives the number of times a particular entry occurs. Question number 4. In the group data, each of the group is called. Each of the group is called a class interval. You can see here. Each group, that is let 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc., is called a class interval, or briefly a class. Question number 5. If 20, 30 is the class interval of group data, then the lower class limit is. We know the lower class limit is 20, upper class limit is 30. So the question is lower class limit, that is 20 answer. That is C is the correct answer. Next question, the difference between the upper class limit and lower class limit of a class interval is called class size or class width, or width of the class. So question answer is B, that is width of the class. The difference between the upper class limit and lower class limit is called size of the class or width of the class. So that is upper limit of the class minus lower limit of the class. So answer is, you can say size or you can say width. The width of or size of the class interval 30 to 40, that is, we know that the class size is given by upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 40, lower limit is 30. So 10 is the correct answer. Next question, a coin is flipped in the air. What is the probability of getting a tail? We know when a coin is flipped or thrown or tossed, there are two possibilities. One is either head or tail. So the probability of getting a head, that is 1 out of 2. The possible outcomes are 2 and head is only 1. Sorry, tail is 1. Also, probability of getting a tail is also 1 by 2 because we know there is only one head or one tail. So out of 2, the probability of getting head is 1 by 2 and the probability of getting a tail is also 1 by 2. So B is the correct option, either head or either tail. Question number 9. A bag has 4 red balls and 4 green balls. Total balls 4 plus 4, that is 8. So probability of getting red ball is 4 out of 8. So 4 upon 8, that is 1 by 2. C is the correct option. Next question. A die is thrown in the air. The probability of getting an even number is, first of all, we have to find out the sample space, that is also known as total possible outcomes. That is 1 can be there, 2 can be there, 3 can be there, 4 can be there, 5 can be there, and 6 can be there. That is 2 here, that is 1, 2, 3, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the other side is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 faces in a die. And now even numbers are, that is on counting number, that is 6. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6. These are 3. So what is the probability? So therefore probability of getting an even number, that is 3 out of 6, that is 1 by 2, 1 upon 2. Answer. So A is the correct option here. Next question. Check the given table and give the correct answer to the following questions. A range of marks obtained by some number of students here. 250 to less than 310 students. 300 to less than 350, 12 students. 350 to less than 400 marks by 14 students. 400 to less than 440 marks by 13 students, and 450 to less than 500 marks by 11 students. And now we will try to give the answer of this question. What is the total number of students for all the range? When you add these number, so that is 10 plus 12 students plus 14 students plus 13 students and then 11 students. Their sum is, what is the sum? That is 60 answer. Or 50 answer. The answer is 50. So C is the correct answer. How many students secured marks between 250 and 300? Here 250 and 300 marks secured by 10 students. Number of students given here. So A is the correct answer. Next question. What is the upper limit in the given frequency distribution table? Here it is not asked that what is the upper limit or lower limit of a particular class. ये पूछा नहीं है. The question is what is the upper limit? So upper limit is this, that is 500 of all the classes you can say. So that is 500. C is the correct option. Next question. How many students come under the marks range 300 to 400? Here it is 300 to less than 350, 12 students. 350 to less than 400, that is 14 students. So the range is 12 plus 14. 12 plus 14, that is 26. B is the correct option. Question number 15 on your screen. What is the size of the class interval? We know class size is equal to upper limit of the class minus lower limit of the same class. I am taking class first. So that is 300 minus 250. That 50 is the answer. So C is the correct option here. Question number 16. At dice thrown, what is the probability of getting even prime number? When a die is thrown, the total possible outcomes or sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The question is we need even prime numbers, means the number should be even as well as prime. So even there is only 2. 2 is the number which is the only prime number of which is even also. So their counting is 1 and their counting is 6. So the probability of getting an even prime number, that is 1 upon 6, means 1 out of 6. So the answer is A, that is 1 upon 6. When a coin is tossed, what are the possible outcomes? When a coin is tossed, then possible outcomes or sample space will be 2, either head or 2. Count them, that is 2. So number of possible outcomes will be 2, head or tail. So B is the correct option. Next question. When two coins are tossed simultaneously, then what is the probability of getting tails for both the coins? First of all, we have to find the total possible outcomes, means the sample space. So you can say late on the first toss, head is possible and tail is possible. When second coin is tossed, head is there or tail is there. Head is there or tail is there. So sample space will be head. Second can be head tail. This is head tail. Third possibilities can be tail head. This is tail head. And fourth possibilities, can be tail tail. So on counting, these are for 1, 2, 3, 4. And getting tail for both the coins, that is only one possibility. Getting tail for both the coins, that is only 1. So the probability is 1 out of 4. So B is the correct option. The number of times a particular entry occurs is called, we already have done, that is frequency. Next question, what is the number of possible outcomes when two dice are thrown simultaneously? जब दो die को एक साथ हम throw करते हैं, then what is the sample space? What is the total possible outcomes, students? See here, that is 36. On the first, it can be 1, then second, it can be 1. Then 1, 2, 1, 3, that is on the first, and this is on the second die. Right? So thus we get here, you check this table, total possible outcomes will be 36. That is 6. This is also 6. This is 6. This is 6. This is 6, and this is 6. Total possible outcomes are 36. So C is the correct option here. Next question on your screen. A child has a block in the shape of a cube with one letter written on each face is shown below. A, B, C, D, E, A. And the question is, the cube is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A? Total in sample space, that is A, C, D, E, A. On counting, it is 6. And A will be appearing 2 times, 1 and 1, 2, means 1 and 1, 2. So probability of getting A is 2 out of 6. That is 1 upon 3 answer. So A is the correct answer. So that's for all these MCQs. We have discussed question number 1 to question number 21. These all are MCQs. and these are very, very important MCQs. So thank you very much.